Hi there guys, my name is Lovin from Isham Car Sales, and today we're going to look at Volkswagen Polo GTI. So let's have a look around the car. So let's have a look around on the outside. We've got the GTI badge with the red strip across the front. Also we've got two-tone alloys, superb look on those. Now it comes with a 1.8 petrol engine, 0 to 60, 6.7 seconds, 192 horsepower. Super fast. Plenty of boot space at the back. So as we look inside, the quiet cabin contains front sport seats with grey pattern cloth with red trim. We've got multi-function leather steering wheel with aluminium pedals as well. Also the black roof lining and ISOFIX preparation. The grey spec includes Bluetooth voice control, USBs, auxiliary sockets, DAB radio, and so on. I mean, the list is massive. But this hatch comes with the Polo GTI styling pack, which is absolutely fantastic. To sum up, this sporty Polo GTI is priced at only £11,000. Come and see me at Evesham Car Sale for a test drive.